What is SCD? SCD stand for slowly changing dimension, and as the name suggests, SCD refers to slowly change of data rather than the change on a regular basis. It is applicable in those cases where the attribute for a record varies over time. Types of SCD: 1. Type 1 SCD. 2. Type 2 SCD. Type 1 SCD, it overwrite old values. In this case, new record replaces the original record and no copy of original record exists. Type 2 SCD, it create a new record. In this case, a new record is added to the dimension table. How to implement slowly changing dimension in ODI? For implementing SCD in ODI, first you need to have a source and target table. In below diagram, first one is my source table and second is my target table, which is empty. Now create model for source and target tables in ODI, and then under Designer tab create a new model folder and then right-click it and select model and create new model, and then reverse engineer both source and target table under the same model as shown below. Now modify the target table model and its columns for SCD. Open the target table data store and change OLP type to slowly changing dimension, and then expand your target data store to get all columns. Open required columns one by one and do the changes. Now I am showing diagrammatically how to open each columns and make changes. Now create new interface and then click on Mapping tab and then drag and drop source and target table and their respective places and then do the mapping with each columns of source and target table as shown below. Now click on the Flow tab, and here we have to import IKM Oracle slowly changing dimension and then select IKM Oracle slowly changing dimension in Knowledge module as shown below. Now save and execute the interface you have created, and to check the status, view the operator navigator. If it shows green color, that means it's success, and if red in color, that means failure. Then debug for what went wrong. If success, then to see the data, right-click target data store and then select data. It will open pop-up window which the result as shown below. After getting the output, I want to update some of the records of the source table. Here I am updating salary of the employee table. After updating source table, execute interface once again and view the result as shown below. In the previous output, Mahesh salary got overwrite with the new salary as part of SCD type 1. Below diagram represents SCD before update and after updates. First diagram represents SCD before updates and second diagram represents SCD after updates. For training, support and consulting inquiries, call us, India, +91 997 799 7254, USA, +1 772 228 6064, mail, training@bispsolutions.com, www.bispsolutions.com, training@bispsolutions.com.